Hello, my name is Clare, and I'm a senior product manager at Sano with a passion for revolutionizing healthcare through technology. Imagine being interested in contributing to medical research, but being overwhelmed by complex medical jargon, lengthy consent forms, and the inconvenience of frequent site visits. This is a common barrier that discourages many potential participants, especially when all of those processes happen in different places. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Sano, a company transforming the future of medical research by streamlining recruitment, biomarker testing, and engagement in research trials. Imagine a world where finding the right treatment is faster and more efficient. That's the world we're building at Sano. I'm here to show you how Sano's innovative product benefits both research participants and the companies conducting trials, ultimately accelerating the discovery of new treatments. I'm going to start by telling you more about the participant experience we've been building in the product and how we are creating a 360-degree platform for precision medicine studies. Later, I'll introduce our administrative portal and explain how it supports all stakeholders in facilitating a seamless study experience. So, let's begin by looking at where the participant journey on our product starts, the study page. We have designed flexible and engaging web pages that clearly lay out all of the information a participant would need in order to make the decision of whether they take part. Our study pages are designed with participants, which is why flexibility in design is so important. For example, we designed a study page for long COVID with brain fog in mind, breaking up information into smaller digestible parts. So, right from the start, we put participants first and ensure a tailored experience. Once participants have decided to take part in a study, we are able to quickly evaluate whether they are suitable through a pre-screening questionnaire. Our product supports the collection of many different data points through a set of specific question types. This could be age, date of birth, or even recording any medical conditions. We then record this data in a standardized way, for example, using the ICD-11 for medical taxonomy. Questions and answers are clearly laid out with a clean interface, making it easy to answer. Because of this, we have found a high completion rate on these questionnaires. As part of this pre-screening process, we also capture electronic consent, with forms that are easy to understand and sign, ensuring legal and ethical compliance. Signed consent forms are shared immediately with the participants by email and stored in their account so they always have access to it. Keeping this process within the same platform helps to streamline the experience for participants and makes it easier for admin users to access, which I'll show you later in this presentation. This can often be a real unlock for some of our partners like healthcare providers, who are used to having to do this off-platform and often using paper consent forms, which can make the study lengthy and arduous. Our e-consent makes it simple. Alongside this screening process, we also want to make it easy to reuse pre-existing genetic data. Participants are able to upload previous test results, which we can use to make sure that we have the most qualified participants taking part. This is part of our mission to ensure we're leveraging all of the testing already happening in the industry so far to make sure we're not asking participants to do the same testing they've already done. If no previous testing has occurred, or if we want to do more in-depth testing, we offer at-home genetic test kits to be ordered directly by the participant. This is a simple ordering process, and participants typically receive their test kits directly to their home within a week. We wanted to reduce the burden on the participants by as much as possible, which is why we wanted to make it easy to complete from the comfort of their homes, reducing the barriers to including genetic testing in any research trial. All of the logistics are handled by Sano, and we can support many different types of DNA testing to meet the requirements of the research. Because everything is integrated in our system, participants can easily see where their test kit is at all times, with email notifications and information in their Sano portal. So, once qualified, participants will be fully enrolled in the program and be able to access next steps in that study and what we call the virtual waiting room. This virtual waiting room is our way of supporting participants with personalized content, engagement, and next steps. It's hosted primarily on the participants' logged-in user feed, meaning that everyone's experience is tailored to them. This ensures that participants always have access to the support they need at any point in their journey and will always know what their next steps are. Content in the virtual waiting room is tailored to align with the participant's condition and their stage in the trial. This can be as granular as necessary, from a high-level Genetics 101 blog to content about their condition, or even about their specific genetic variant. The possibilities here are endless due to the flexibility of our product in allowing for cohorting and segmenting participants. And we'll touch on how we do this for genetic variants when we go to the admin product. Here are examples of 2 different participants' user feeds in their virtual waiting rooms. As you can see, each participant's feed is tailored to their specific needs and stage in the study, ensuring they receive the right support at the right time. Because a one-size-fits-all approach often isn't enough to support someone as they take part in a research trial. For example, Helen here might see updates about a call that she was scheduled to have with a genetic counsellor, with a prompt to reschedule. She might be able to access a podcast talking about how to manage her blood pressure alongside the condition she has told us about. Joe, on the other hand, may need to reach out to his healthcare provider about his condition before he can proceed, meaning he can access basic content but not yet take part in the next steps in the study. This level of granularity allows us to effortlessly guide participants through their journeys. We know that most participants are looking to understand more about their condition and what they can do. Alongside next steps in a study, we also provide relevant educational materials to ensure participants always feel like their personal journey is being supported on the platform and that they can come back for information about their condition or the study process. This could be content which helps to explain what to expect with an upcoming genetic counselling appointment, or how to talk to their family about their genetic results. It really depends on the condition in question and the study they're taking part in. In essence, the virtual waiting room is a dynamic place where updates are given to participants in real time, whether that be information about where their test kit is, or updates about their results and how to access them. Overall, our aim is to build long-term participant relationships with involving personalized engagement and to keep participants at the center with Sano's virtual waiting room. Now that we've looked at the participant experience, let's shift focus to the administrator side of things, where we can support workflows for healthcare providers, site coordinators, genetic counselors, and more, empowering multiple stakeholders to set up studies and support the participant's journey. Our core mission is to connect the dots and make running studies faster and easier. And we received feedback from healthcare professionals who've used our platform, describing it as almost too good to be true due to the ease of use and how it reduces redundancy in the study process. This is a testament to our commitment to quality and efficiency, but don't just take their word for it. Let's explore how our platform makes this possible. Today, I'm going to focus on participant management and support, which starts with full visibility on an individual level. This is the participant profile, a feature used mainly by healthcare providers and genetic counselors in order to support each individual study journey. From here, admins can monitor and support progress in a study, with high-level profile information sitting alongside a real-time full activity log displaying all of the key moments in the participant's journey. This is also where admins can then proceed to jump into other tools, such as study management, document management, and call logging. We'll run through these tools now. From the Studies tool, admins can drill down and manage study participation, allowing them to view the participants' current status in the study, the outcome of their questionnaires, as well as their responses. When applicable, healthcare providers can also complete questionnaires on behalf of their participants from this part of the administrative platform. This feature is often used when we need to capture medical data questions which participants may not be able to answer. When completing a questionnaire on behalf of a participant, we make sure the experience is clear on the healthcare professional side, so they are always aware of who they are representing. We also keep a full audit trail in our databases, and it is clearly marked in the participant profile as well, to ensure we always know who has completed a questionnaire. Alongside questionnaire answers, admins and healthcare providers can review documents attached to a participant profile easily, so that key documents like consent, genetic results, or uploaded documents are always at hand. This is also where genetic counselors can upload and share counseling reports directly and securely with participants, so that they can access it from their account, meaning no more having to use multiple systems for all of this data. In cases where genetic results are sensitive, we have functionality here which allows admins the ability to review those documents before actively sharing them. We often incorporate post-test genetic counselling, whereby the counsellor can share the results directly with the participant in the session before releasing the full document to them afterwards. This flexibility can ensure results are shared in the right way every time, no matter the study. Alongside functionality in the Documents tool, we also support genetic counselling call logging. We recognise that genetic counselling is incredibly important to making sure participants understand whether they want to take part in testing or once testing has happened, to give them the tools to understand their results. To keep the entire study experience in our system, our call logging feature maintains a record of these discussions for better follow-up and support, as well as maintaining a comprehensive record for the full participant journey. We can also use these calls to make decisions about the next steps for that participant, with the option to record whether a participant is suitable for the next stages of the study, whether to pause their participation or completely withdraw them. An example of how we use this pause functionality is the Light the Way study into ALS. In this study, we want to make sure participants are truly ready to find out about any genetic variants linked to the condition, because those results can be life-changing. Often, participants may need time to process whether testing is right for them, and so we use the pause feature to allow them that time before they make that decision. Another feature tailored to supporting precision medicine trials is how we record and use genetic results to help with management of participants or to send customized outreach. In this example, you can see how easy it is to filter by a specific genetic variant, and you could use this to create a cohort or segment to then provide personalized content in the virtual waiting room. That was a high-level look at our administrative platform with a focus on the participant monitoring and support tools we've created. Thank you for your time today. I'm Claire from the Sano Genetics product team, and we'd love to work together on your next project. Our commitment is to enhance medical research, making processes smoother and outcomes better for participants. If this speaks to you, then please reach out. For more information about our product, visit sanogenetics.com and consider scheduling a call with our team. Together, let's unlock new treatments faster than ever. Thank you.